Very good. Hi everyone, this is Cookie. Cookie's come for a little check over, and if you come down and have a little look at her ear, we've just got some fungal that we're going to deal with on the back here. So just watch out. On the back of the ear you can see some light skin there. It's like white flaky skin, and in around the ear again you can see what we need to treat there so it doesn't get out of hand. The ears are always so moist, and it's an area that we need to treat with. So we're going to use a cotton bud, and in here is Meliseb, which is this product here, which is an antifungal wash, and we're going to wash or wipe out her ear, outside the eardrum. We're not going down where the ear canal is, which is down in this direction. So you can see just from the image there, hopefully the direction it's in. Where we're wiping from is above that and out. The movement that we use with the earbud is to just twist and scroll back. So you'll actually see a lot of this come out as I start to do it. It's a bit like wiping out our own ears. We don't go down in the eardrum, but all on the outside, wherever we see that flaky skin. You'll also see the waxy material coming out, which is a bit like our ears. But again, because it's really damp and moist in that area, fungal just loves it. So it tends to, you can see there, it's thriving. Okay, so we're going to get rid of all of that. Let's just get to work. Take that out. It's a bit like the same colour as your ears, isn't it? So we're just doing her ears for her. It's important to go into all of these little ridges and clear all of them from the material that's there using the diluted water and Meliseb. So again, wiping it all away, getting those ears clean, and you'll be surprised how much fungal tends to clear once you treat the ears. See this earlobe area in between the hair? It's actually in there. We need to slough that off. So we again get rid of all of those fungal spores. Sometimes you don't think it's there, but you can actually feel it because it feels really rough. A big chunk of it up in there. Just get that out. Changes in season, where we've got the weather going from hot to cold, and there's more condensation in the air, or more rain, more moisture. Guinea pigs that have thicker coats or furrier ears like this tend to harbour more of this. So check your piggy's ears. Just going to go to the edge of that. You can see there's some on there. That's it. Great. And we're going to do behind the ears here. So again, the little white flakiness that we saw, this is how we clean behind and agitate the ears enough that we can clean them. Okay, there we are. Now we'll try the other ear. One clean ear. She's a very good patient.
It's very good when you trim her nails too.
Yeah,
Very calm.
she's a gorgeous girl. How old is she now? Do you remember?
The vet at her last checkup said they think that she'd be somewhere between 1 and 1.5, I think.
Okay. Now the dark on this, a lot of it is to do with the colour of her skin. So because this is a black ear that I'm working on, where over here it was a pink ear, you'll notice a lot of what's coming out. It's not particularly dirtier as such, it's just the colour of the skin that's moving out as well. But there is a lot of waxy fungally substance there. Great. If we have a look at those, you can see quite a bit of cleaning there. It's been done. Her ears feel really nice and soft now, so you can always tell touching them. Yeah, she's all good. Good to go.